All right, we are on record today for a pretrial conference in anticipation of an evidentiary hearing on Friday, January 12th, scheduled at 1:30 p.m. If things are not able to be resolved, I look forward to the updates and any issues I can help resolve for purposes of pretrial today. After appearances, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matthew Buds appearing on behalf of the personal representative, Lisa Blackburn.
Good morning, Mayor. Doug Hart. I'm appearing in person today with Kevin Cole appearing via Zoom.
Yes, welcome. All right, gentlemen, what is the status of your case? Are you prepared to proceed with evidentiary hearing, or has there been a resolution?
Your Honor, go ahead, Mr. Hartwing.
We're working on it. We need to keep that date for January 12th on the court schedule if possible, and we'll continue to plug forward in an effort to, as I said before, not impose upon you to solve a law school examination. But we're still working on it.
All right. Are you prepared, and if you need to, with witnesses, exhibits, discovery, etc.?
Your Honor, we have not exchanged discovery, but Mr. Hartung and I discussed that if we're not able to reach a resolution in the short term, it mainly, I think, is primarily a legal question issue that's going to need probably, I would say, a short amount of testimony, but then mainly comes down to a documents and legal analysis item primarily, I think, at this point.
I would agree.
All right. Well, hopefully you'll be able to sift your way through that. Do you need anything else from me then for purposes of today's pretrial?
The only other thing I would think, Your Honor, is we didn't set any dates for exchange of witness lists, or if you wanted briefs, things in advance of that evidentiary hearing, or if you wanted to hear testimony and then have us brief afterwards, whatever the court's preference. I think that might be helpful, though, for us to have guidance.
Very well. I would expect that you would be able to exchange witnesses and exhibits typically by the final pretrial, but I know you're still in negotiations, so I can offer to you maybe a week ahead of trial to make sure that we have enough time for that, unless you want to, if you think that you've got enough time already reserved for this, then and you don't expect any surprises, and I would think that a week ahead of the hearing would be fine, and also for any trial memos. You brief it if you want to, but I'm also satisfied with just a brief memo that would outline the issues and your positions.
Very good.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And if you need discovery, conduct that between now and the deadline for witnesses and exhibits.
Very good.
Anything else?
I don't mind.
Nothing further.
All right, Mr. Buds, can I count on you to do an order just reflecting the pretrial was held and the outline that we set up for witnesses, exhibits, memos, and discovery?
I will prepare that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Unless there's any questions, that's all for today.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.